Um,
All right, let's see how you swim. Wilson's swimming. Wilson floating.
I can't see.
Turn around, go this way.
Open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
I
There's a
can't
little bit of pink on his face
see.
because there's one more shape on the lap. Tell mine.
I'm videoing. Put your goggles on and go under. Let me take the video of that. You're on the video. You got to do something. How about a cannonball?
Go. Oh, sorry.
All right, I'm going to turn it off.
Yes.
The end.